Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today on the episode of PPA Trading. My name is Isa, and today we're going to talk about 5 different topics that we find really exciting. Let's get right into it. So number 1 is Bitcoin, a 10-year 6 million% gain. Number 2 is Bitcoin's market cap drop versus top altcoins. Number 3 is Bitcoin huge news involving former Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey and rapper Jay-Z. Number 4 is 3 digital payment companies who will lead the way for mass crypto adoption to billions. And number 5 is a cup and handle pattern on a stock that is close to a breakout. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so you can see here, this is a 10-year chart for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin has been going through a major price discovery. It still is a new asset, and it is one of the best performing assets in history. You can see right here that the gain for a 10-year chart from 2011 low of $1 to 2021 high of 68,958 was almost 7 million%. And right here, what I wanted to show you guys was the fear and greed index. This measures the fear and greed that it is currently at. So right now we're seeing an extreme fear of 24. And you can see that Bitcoin has for the past 2 months been dropping. We are entering into a bear market. This is not something that I would worry about long term, but in the short term it may seem like a big drop. It usually does have about a 50 to 80% drop when it does happen, such as these ones in the past. So it is a very volatile asset, but it does have a high likelihood of going up in the future. Now, none of this is financial advice. This is just what we see and what we think may happen. So, Bitcoin, as you can see in the past year, has had about a 600% gain. And altcoins like Ethereum, for example, have had about a 1500% gain. And the reason I'm showing you guys this chart right here is that the Bitcoin market dominance is starting to drop. So the past 2 years it has gone down, 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 and Ethereum and different altcoins have been rising. And the reason for this is altcoins are starting to get more popular because Bitcoin is not the only player in the field anymore, and different altcoins such as Binance, Solana, Cardano, and Ethereum. These are the top 4 altcoins with the highest market cap right behind Bitcoin. So these have high likelihood of success as well, as long as they keep getting more and more popular, just like Bitcoin is. So Bitcoin's market cap is currently $917 billion, Ethereum market cap $486 billion, BNB, which is Binance, $89 billion, Solana is $57 billion, and ADA, which is Cardano, is $43 billion. And the thing I want to show you guys is right now Ethereum's price is 4,100, and if Ethereum hits the same market cap as Bitcoin, which is possible in the future, it could be worth $7,755, which is a 90% gain. Binance, it's currently at $541, and if it hits the Bitcoin market cap, one BNB would be worth 5,478, an increase of 914%. Solana, currently at $186. We've been talking about Solana since it was in the 30s, so it has seen a huge increase already. But if it does hit Bitcoin's market cap, one Solana would be worth $2,992, an increase of 1,500%. Cardano is currently trading at $1.30, and if ADA had Bitcoin's market cap, one ADA would be worth $29, an increase of 2,000%. So we've already seen a huge rise in Ethereum. It is number 2 in market cap, and these 3 are ones that you really want to keep an eye on and ones that have a huge potential in the future. Now next we're going to talk about some huge Bitcoin news that's come out in the past year, and Jack Dorsey and Jay-Z are giving 500 Bitcoin to a new endowment named B Trust to fund Bitcoin development initially focused on teams in Africa and India. Now, these people right down here are the people who have been nominated to join that board. And you've got one person from South Africa and 3 people from Nigeria. So really excited to see where this goes and what they do with the 500 BTC. The next thing is these three companies, Visa, Mastercard, and PayPal. They are all betting big on cryptocurrency. So Visa, for example, it's repositioning itself as a layer 2 solution that can operate on top of the blockchain. This is much like what they've done in the past, but they did it with fiat, and they were hugely successful, and I'll show you why in a minute. So Mastercard next, they aim to become an on-ramp to the NFT marketplace, which has been really hot lately, and they want to add crypto to its multi-rail network as a native currency for settlements. PayPal, they are a smaller company, but they're growing fast, and they're investing heavily in crypto education, and they're going to be opening its platform to DeFi networks so they can become interoperable with those, which is just huge. So if you look at Visa right here, the reason I'm so excited about all this is Visa is already in 200 countries. They've got 3.6 billion cards worldwide, and basically Visa is just everywhere. So if they get into the crypto space, it's really going to help that adoption globally. They've got 70 million merchants. And then if you look at Mastercard, it's very similar, right? Mastercard is got visibility in 210 countries. They've got 1.9 billion Mastercards worldwide, and they've got 35.9 million merchants already using it. So Mastercard, another big one, betting on the cryptocurrency space to be part of the future. If you look at PayPal, they've got 377 million active customers already, and this is growing fast. So I think that these three companies are going to really help crypto adoption. And here is the job postings that they are putting on LinkedIn. If you look at Visa, they've got 17 right now that are up there. If you look at Mastercard, they've got 11 current openings. And these are really big, high-paying jobs as well. So VPs, directors, senior directors. If you look at PayPal, leading the way, 109 results. So 109 new jobs that are popping up for PayPal. I think PayPal is really going to grow fast once they do take off with crypto. And here is the last topic that we're going to discuss. So you don't always want to put all your eggs in one basket. You want to diversify. Don't bet just on crypto. Here is a stock that we are looking at and we have on our radar. It is Snowflake, SNOW. That is the ticker. This chart is a weekly time frame. The pattern that I'm seeing is the cup and handle, which if you'd like to learn how to trade the cup and handle, go to ppatrading.com. And on our blogs, we've got top 10 patterns. This is one of them. And we give examples on exactly how to trade this. So an entry for this would be right around here once it breaks out of this resistance line. You can see that it went up here. It bounced down, created a rounding bottom pattern as well, and then it created the handle. Now this handle, once it does break out and it gets above this resistance right here, that's where you want to enter. You want to enter here, either there or on retest. And the first target that we have is 442 with a 12% gain. Second target is 475, which is a 20% gain. Stop loss would be at 373 for a minus 5%. And this is just one you want to really keep an eye on, guys. So if you'd like this, please subscribe, share. And if you want, you can also check out our free Telegram. Here's a link, I'll post it below. Here's our website and our Twitter and YouTube. Thank you for watching, guys.